If you want to add a video to a Mailchimp email, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps in a simple way. By the end, you'll know how to place a video block into your email, add the video link, and save everything properly so your campaign is ready to send. This is a great way to make your email more engaging, increase clicks, and give your subscribers a more interactive experience. If you find this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to Mailchimp. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one brand or email list. Once you're inside the Mailchimp dashboard, look for the campaign section on the left side and click on it. This is where all of your email campaigns are stored, including drafts, scheduled emails, and sent campaigns. Next, find the email where you want to add the video. Once you locate it, click Edit next to that campaign. This opens the campaign editor, where you can make changes before sending. After that, click Edit Design. This takes you into the email design editor, which is where you can customize the layout and add content blocks like images, text, buttons, and a video. Now that you're in the design editor, look for the video content block in the list of available elements. Click on video, then drag and drop it into the email where you want the video to appear. You can place it near the top of the email for better visibility or lower down if you want to support existing text content. Dragging the block into the right spot is important because the layout affects how your subscribers will see the message. Once the video block is in place, Mailchimp will ask you to add a URL. Click Add URL. This is where you paste the link to your video. You can use a YouTube link, a Vimeo link, or any supported video page link depending on what you want to share. After pasting the video URL, double check that the link is correct and that it opens properly in a browser. This helps avoid sending subscribers to the wrong page. After the link is added, click Save. Saving here makes sure the video block is connected properly and that Mailchimp can generate the video preview or linked content. Then, when everything looks good, click Save and Exit to leave the editor and return to your campaign dashboard. At this point, your email should now include the video section you added. Before sending your email, it's always a good idea to review the full design one more time. Check the spacing, the placement of the video block, and any surrounding text or buttons. Make sure the email looks clean on both desktop and mobile if possible. A well-placed video can improve engagement, but only if it's easy to see and easy to click. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a video to a Mailchimp email in just a few easy steps. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.